Hello. Today, we're talking about when financial help turns into emotional pressure. Money is one of the hardest topics for parents on the prodigal journey because it's never just about dollars. It's about fear, guilt, and the deep desire to protect your child from suffering. If you've ever felt torn between helping financially and protecting your peace, you're not alone. When your child is struggling, money can feel like the fastest way to help. Paying a bill, covering rent, stepping in just this once. And for many parents, finance becomes the last boundary because saying no feels too heavy. Here's what often happens beneath the surface: you give, but you feel anxious. You help, but you resent it. You say yes, but your body says no. That tension is your inner wisdom trying to get your attention. Financial help that comes from fear creates emotional pressure for you and for your child. Provision without wisdom can unintentionally delay growth. God is our provider, not our children, and He is able to care for them in ways we cannot. Trusting God sometimes means loosening our grip on how help looks. I want you to ask yourself gently, when I give financially, do I feel peace or pressure? Am I helping out of love or fear? Your answers are information, not condemnation. Healthy support strengthens responsibility, but unhealthy support removes it. Empowering your child may feel uncomfortable at first, but it creates space for maturity. You don't need to change everything all at once. Start with clarity. What am I willing to help with, and what am I not? Clarity protects peace. In the next episode, we're going to talk about why boundaries can feel like betrayal and why they're actually an act of love. You are allowed to protect your peace, even when money is involved.